how to change a wooden drawer knob for one of these metal ones. So first take off the old one. That's it. Now we can see that there isn't a hole on the other side, so we're going to next have to drill through here. So next, pick a drill bit the same diameter as your screw on your handle. Quickly drill through, carefully. Hole all the way through. Get the screw, put it in the back of the drawer, push it all the way through to the other side, and we can see this is way too long. Now get your hacksaw and cut it at the desired length. Backing screw in, and put the handle on, and you're done.